Hi guys, I'm Kiki and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying something that I've never done before. I don't know why I sound sick. I guess I am probably a little sick, but I'm always sick, so. But I'm going to be doing a cut crease eye makeup tutorial. I've literally never done this before on camera or off camera, so I haven't even practiced. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing, but I kind of just going to go with it and we'll see how it turns out. So yeah, I'm gonna do my base and everything first since that's not what this video is about. So I think I'm just gonna go right into that, and then I'll come back to you when I'm ready to start the eyes. Okay, so I'm not done with my base yet, but as I was doing my makeup, I got really bored and I decided that I wanted to talk to you and do it rather than just sitting here doing it. And let me just say, oh wait, I am done with my base. I mean, I'm gonna do contour and everything last, but I have to do my eyeshadow now. So what am I saying? I'm a little bit slow. It's okay. But this freaking bathroom is so cold, freezing all the time. There's no heat in it, so it's freezing, and I'm cold, and it's really sad. And also, it makes my nose run so much, so I'm constantly and it's disgusting, and I literally hate it. But, okay, so, I think I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Is that even what it's called? Yeah, Shade and Light. I'm going to take this brush from the Jeffree Star. I'm going to take this brush from the James Charles Makeup and Morphe brush collection thing. I can't speak, it's fine. And I'm going to take, I think, this color and then maybe a little bit of these two. And I'm just going to put that into my crease. We're going to see how that goes. I can't tell if this is dark enough. I think I want it darker. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush, which is basically the same as the other one, but it's smaller. And I'm going to take a bit of a darker shade, so I'm going to take these two mixed a little bit. And I'm just going to put that right into the crease, kind of like a straight line. Well, not a straight line, like a curved line in the crease. Now I'm just going to go in with a big fluffy brush to kind of blend it all together. I'm just going to take this one. I don't really know what I'm doing. Am I supposed to cut the crease now? I think I'm going to cut the crease now. I'm clearly very good at this kind of thing. I'm very experienced with cut creases and how to do them. No, I literally have no idea what I'm doing. I've never even watched a tutorial on how to do cut creases. I'm not even kidding though. I've never watched a tutorial on how to do this. I've seen makeup artists do a cut crease in a YouTube video, but it wasn't a tutorial on how to do cut creases. It was just them reviewing a palette and that's what they chose to do. And I just don't know what I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna take this Huda Beauty concealer and I'm gonna use, oh, I don't wanna use this brush, wait. I know what brush I wanna use. This one. I wanna use this brush. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one here. And this actually kinda worked. I'm gonna use this flat top brush to try to cut the crease. Is this right? I don't think so. I'm just gonna keep going. Maybe it'll look better in the end, but I don't think I'm even cutting the crease right. So that's unfortunate. Okay, so this is really bad. Yeah, so this is not good. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm gonna fix it though. I'm gonna just keep going. This is what I always do. I screw up and then in the end it looks fine. It doesn't have to look perfect like halfway through. I hate that. Some people try so hard to make it look so good and it just doesn't have to look like that. I'm gonna take this little brush, which is very precise, and I'm gonna take this color and I'm just gonna cover the concealer in this. I'm just gonna go back in and cover up my mistakes using this dark color again. And I'm just gonna put that right at the edge of the concealer that I put down. I'm depressed. Now I'm gonna take another brush. I don't know which one. I'm gonna take this one. And I'm just gonna go right in with the black and put that on the outer corner and just hope for the best. I look like a crazy person, but it's kind of cool. But it's kind of not. I look like an anime character. And that blend is not good. Now I'm gonna take another brush, this little one, and we're just gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm gonna blend the black into the lower lash line a little bit. And then I'm gonna take this color, these two colors actually, and also blend that into the lower lash line. But like, I only brought the black. This looks terrible. Oh my god. This is definitely the worst thing I've ever done. It looks a little bit, oh my god. This is so bad. I'm literally blaming this on the Huda Beauty concealer though, because I've used like Tarte Shape Tape on my eyelids before, and it's like you can still blend eyeshadows over it, but this concealer is like not good, like at all. I'm just gonna keep going in until I'm satisfied, which will be never. This isn't even that bad, TBH. But it is an all matte look. And it's not really a cut crease. I don't know what this has turned into, but it's not like that bad. It's not that good, but it's not that bad. Kind of looks pretty. I don't know, I'm just gonna go in with eyeliner and see if I can save what is left. And I'm gonna take this eyeliner and we're just gonna go and line the eye. That looks kind of cool. Okay, so I just did like super thick eyeliner to try to cover up this disaster. And oh, I love that. I love when my hair is in the front. One hair extension, one hair. Cute. We can fix that. Just gotta. I have to like constantly blend my hair into these things because, well, actually I'm gonna do another video on these, so I'm not gonna talk about them right now. But they're kind of annoying, even though they're like the best ones you can buy. They're cute though. Okay, anyway. I'm just gonna try to wrap up this ish because I'm over it as, like literally I'm just done. Okay, now I'm gonna take a pencil liner and put that in my lash line and yeah, to make this even darker than it already is. And I just put like a nude colored eyeliner in my lower lash line or waterline. I don't even know if I'm calling them the right thing. I don't care. I'm very low energy today, in case you couldn't tell, but it's okay, I don't really care. I just wanted to do this because I've been thinking about doing or attempting to do an eyeshadow look like this for a really long time. Clearly it didn't turn out the way I was planning, but oh my god, my ear just like popped. It hurt. Also, you can see my hair extension right there. So that's really cute. We love that. I only did this because I wanted my hair out of my face, so like, so you can see them. That's cute. Okay, now I'm gonna put mascara on. I kind of want to make it more flared out on the bottom, so I think I'm gonna do that first real quick. This looks a little bit better. Okay, I'm putting mascara on now, and then I'm going to apply falsies, like really natural looking ones, just because I want to try them out. They look kind of pretty. Okay, we're not done yet though. Still have a few more things to do, like the face stuff. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I kind of like this. Holy shit. Alright, so I just did my highlighter, finished my contour. I'm adding some highlight from the Anastasia Glow Tint. I'm 12 years old, I'm sorry. From the Anastasia Glow Kit, I'm adding some highlight to my brow bone and the inner corner. Although it's not very glowing today. It's like barely even highlighting, to be honest. Oh, and the tip of the nose. Woo. And then, last step, I think. No, not the last step, I'm lying. But one of the steps. My blush. Sorry, I'm like not looking at the camera, I just can't find my blush brush. Oh, there it is. Okay, now I take my blush. And brow gel. I'm literally all over the place today. Why are my eyebrows hard? My eyebrows are hard, but I did not apply brow gel already, so I don't know why that's happening, except that's very odd. I'm just gonna, that's so weird, what the heck? This has never happened to me before. I did not apply brow gel already, I would have known. Normally I can just completely forget to do it, so if I was doing it twice, I would definitely realize. You can hear my cat meowing. He wants to come in. Ooh, my eyebrows look pretty good. This isn't that bad. This isn't what I was picturing, but it's not bad. And it's still a cut crease, I think. I don't know. I was like, don't even know. But, lips. What have I been using on my lips lately? Wait. Oh. I've been using this, which is just really old, and I should not use this on my lips anymore. But it's really pretty. I just bought a new one and I lost it the day after I bought it, so now I have to go buy another new one. Because this is literally not safe to be using on my lips. I was gonna put falsies on, but I don't have anywhere to go and I don't wanna like waste them. I'd rather not do that, so yeah, okay. So this is really the finished look. Ooh, I wish I was out the whole time. Didn't go the way I planned. Wasn't the easiest, wasn't the best, but I actually think it looks really pretty in the end. It's kind of like grunge. Not really. I don't know. It's just like darker than what I normally do. I normally just go for like all browns and like neutral colors, but I added like the black in and then like with the contrast with the concealer. I don't know. I think it looks really pretty though. But yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be posting new videos as soon as possible. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, bye.